Hi there, this is Jamie with DigiPro Payments. One of the cool things about SwipeSimple that I love and I think is really useful for our clients is the setting up a payment link or a payment page. So I'm going to demonstrate that for you so you know where to go and how to set that up. So I am in the SwipeSimple demo, and let me just click over here onto the main page. So when you log in, you're going to want to look for the payment links menu link. It's going to be the fourth one down on the left side. You can click on that. So you'll come to the list, and right now there's currently not any payment links that are set up in this demo account. So I'm going to set one up. So there's a add new payment link here on the right. I'll click that link, and you're going to give it a title. So I'm going to call this Make Monthly Payment, and I'm going to say Show Title and Payment Form. Now, on the amount side, you have the ability to choose an amount for somebody to give, or you can pick an item from your product catalog that they can make a payment on. So for this particular one, I'm just going to choose an amount. There's also a note here that if you leave it blank, you let the card holder enter any amount. So maybe if they get you send out an invoice and your amounts that you're sending out to all your customers may be variable, so you want to leave it flexible for them to enter the amount on the invoice that they receive. That is a good option. That's the option we're going to go with on this. So you can have a option to apply a tax. So I'm going to choose, if you've got your sales taxes set up, you can choose that tax to be applied at checkout. So I'm going to choose the low tax. And then you can customize your form. So on this, I'm going to say, please make your promptly and include your invoice. All right, so that's going to appear at the top of the payment form. So then your additional data fields that you can request. So you can make these, you can choose them. So email, and you can make it required, shipping address, and phone number. I'm just going to choose the email address here and make it required. And then I'm going to add a custom field by just saying invoice number, and I'm going to make that required as well. And then I'm going to create the link. So I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to paste it up here in my browser. And so this is a link that you can include on an invoice that you are sending out to your customers, or you could actually link this up to your website for your customers to come in and make a payment. You can just have a make payment link on your website. So you would come in, fill this information in. Invoice number is 555. Name on the card. And then put in a card number. 3 digits on the back. And then address. So 777 State Street, Tacoma. Choose from a drop. So I'm going to type in Florida. It's going to choose there. And then my zip code 32502. and then whatever the amount that is on my invoice. So I'm going to say it's $75. And you'll see it calculates the tax there. Let's pay now. So this is a demo account, so it's not going to actually like process the payment, but when the payment is processed, they would then proceed to the success page where they can print out a payment receipt or copy of their receipt, and then you get an email saying that there's been a payment made. So I'm going to go in and I'm just going to kind of tweak this form just a little bit, and just to show the different variations. So now on this list, there's a form listed here. So if you need to make an edit to this form, you can click on it. So I'm going to tweak this form to show an item. I'm going to update link. Refresh the form. Oh, click the wrong button. So that's what it looks like with the item there. So this is an item that's already got an amount tied to it. So that's the reason why you see the subtotal $18. If I adjust the amount, it adjusts the total cost. So I'm going to come back over here and I'm going to adjust this for, say, $500. Update link. $500. So it's already got the tax applied to it. So one other thing that I'm going to show you before we get out of here is come down here to get out of this payment link, come down to account settings. I'm going to click on payment links. So you also have the ability to customize the payment link. So right now there's no color to it. So I'm going to choose just a nice green. You can upload your logo. So I'm going to choose a logo on my computer. Hopefully it's not too big. There we go, that might work. Let me replace this image. There we go, white. And then you can put your footer text down here if you want. So I'm going to update the settings. And preview the form. So that looks good. So it's got nice, brand colors. Of course, your business name would be here instead of Cindy's Catering. And so that's kind of how you update the branding on the payment form. It's really cool functionality with this, especially if you want to, if you're sending out invoices or you need to email a payment link to a customer that just made a purchase, or if you want to add a payment link to your website, then again, it's kind of got that wildcard option on it where somebody can put in any amount and make a payment right then and there. So this is really cool. If you have any questions on this, please reach out to support. That's at support@digipropayments.com, and we'll help you out on getting this set up for you or answering any questions that you have. So thanks a lot. I hope you have a great rest of your day.